Instagram has thousands, no lakhs, no crores, okay, a lot of users, and there is an enormous amount of content that is being produced and consumed every single day. But all of our feeds look different, right? So how does this work? How does Instagram know what you are going to like? How does it know us so well? Well, you are probably going to say that's the algorithm, and you're right. But the biggest misconception that we all have is that Instagram has one algorithm. No, Instagram has multiple algorithms, each with its own purpose. And for the first time, Instagram has explained its algorithm in detail in a blog post. I've added the link to the blog post in the description below so you can read it. But it's slightly complicated, so I am going to break it down for you in this video, so stay with me till the end. So before deciding which post will appear first on your feed and stories, Instagram gathers all the latest posts from your friends, family and people you follow. And then for the Reels and Explore section, it looks out for photos and videos that might interest you. And then it goes through these 4 steps roughly. So the first step is information about the post. It checks what was posted. Is it a video or a photo? If it's a video, then how long is it? What time the post was shared? Who made those posts? How many people have liked it? How popular is it? And what location is attached to it? And when it comes to Reels, it checks the audio track, the video frames, popularity, if it's a low resolution, watermarked or focused on political issues. Then the second step is information about the person who posted. It takes this step to get a sense of how interesting the person might be to you and how many times people have interacted with that person in the past few weeks. And the third step is your activity. It takes a look at your activity to understand what you might be interested in and how many posts you have liked. And then the fourth step is your history of interacting with that person. If you have liked their post in the past, then you are more likely to see that post in the Reel section or on your feed. After going through these 4 steps roughly, Instagram then predicts if you're going to spend a few seconds on the post, because its main goal is to make you spend more time on the app. So if it thinks that you're going to like the post or comment on it, share it or save it, then it ranks the post first on your feed and stories. Now the big question is, can you influence this algorithm? So Instagram is based on algorithms, and these algorithms cannot be 100% correct. You might like the content that you're being shown at the moment, but sometimes you might ask, why is Instagram showing me this post? So to really influence and get what you really want to see on Instagram, you can do these 3 things. First, mark your close friends, because Instagram really prioritizes your close friends and show their post first on your feed and stories. Second, mark recommended post as not interested. And third is, if you don't want to unfollow someone but you don't want to really see their post on your feed, then you can just mute those people. So next time Instagram will not prioritize those people or show those people's post on your feed and stories. So that's how Instagram works. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this, and if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you very soon in the next video.